Want to prepare for UGC NET Economics 2025 December attempt? Confused about what to study? Let me help you out. Here's a breakdown of the most important topics from each unit that you simply can't afford to skip as per the new pattern. As per UGC NET 2025 June exam, a total of 15 questions were asked from the mathematical economics. I have outlined all the main topics and their subtopics. Moving on, the first topic, sets. You have to do the types of sets, laws related to set theory. There are numerous laws, but you have to focus only on the commutative, associative, distributive, and the De Morgan's law. Next topic is the matrices and determinant, in which the inverse of the matrix, rank of matrix, types of matrix, properties of transpose, determinant calculation, Laplace expansion, all are important. Then eigenvalue and eigenvectors is again an important topic. Out of functions, you have to know the types of functions. All these functions types are important, and the monotonic one are the most important one. Next is sequence and series, GP and AP. Next is differentiation. Differentiation and integration again is an important topic which you need to do, and one of the important topic out of this is the application in the economics. How to solve the numericals of that. After that, you have to do the integration, in which you have to do the formulas, application, integration by parts, and integration by substitution. I haven't marked all the topics in the red. All the subtopics are important in this. Maxima and minima, their conditions and formulas, as well as the graphical representation are important. Similar for the concave and convex functions. Next one is optimization problem. In the unconstrained optimization, for the two and the multiple variable case, you have to study the first order conditions and the second order conditions. Next one is input output model. The full topic is important. Next is linear programming, given by whom, that is important. Then terminologies, dual and primal of the LPP, and this question comes in the one marker or in match of the following. You have to name or learn only the concept. Next one is the differential equation with the applications. In this, you have to learn what is differential equations, their order, degree, and how to calculate the journal and the particular solution of the differential equation. That's all for the mathematical important topics. The last thing you need to do in the mathematical economics, after doing all these topics, you have to do the previous year questions thoroughly. Only then you can crack the next UGC NET exam. Thank you.